welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one drop dead gorgeous 57 Chev. There's a small block under the hood. That's hooked up to a 5-speed. She's been on the rotisserie, so she's just as clean on the bottom as she is on the top, and she is red and beautiful. As you can see, all the chrome up front looks like it's brand new, looking sweet as can be. That emblem looking beautiful. Just everything about the car just off the chart. The red is popping in the sun out here, looking good. All the body gaps are looking sweet, nice and straight on the hood. The bullets there on the hood also looking sweet. I mean, everything about this car just looking absolutely gorgeous. As you look down the side of it, she is straight as an arrow. There's some big panels on this car, so there's a lot of work. Got some really nice looking American Racing wheels on there. You can see how the door lines up nice right here to the front fender. You can see all the chrome here, all the stainless all looking good. The doors lined up real nice here also. And then inside there, that custom interior, all brand new, looking like 1957 in there. We got seat belts in there. Headliner's looking good. All the stainless and chrome on the interior's looking good. We got great looking stock appearing steering wheel. We got aftermarket tack there. All the paint there on the dash is looking good. I mean, everything about this car is just drop dead gorgeous. Even my phone laying there on the seat. Tell you what, slick as can be. Look at that, the polish on this is just beautiful. We got good looking chrome back here also, dual exhaust, the gold emblems on the deck lid. As you look down the side of it, she is straight as can be. Just a beautiful example of what you can do if you spend a lot of money and a lot of time restoring a 57 Chev. See how this lines up nice? This is all lined up nice. All this stainless is highly polished, all looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment, so you can call Tom anytime and he'll tell you all about this car. All right, it is 57 Chevy time, baby. Let's go. Now I've told this story a few times, but when I was working on my Cougar when I was about 15 years old, you know, Dad drove that thing and rusted it all out down there in Indiana, so I spent the whole summer doing body work on it. I think, what would that have been, between my 8th and 9th grade, I guess, somewhere around there. Anyway, the guy down the street had a badass 57 with a badass little small block in it, and I'll never forget, he took me for a ride in that thing. It was a 4-speed car, so he was jamming gears, and of course, you know, my dad was a truck driver, and I remember him jamming gears in the semi-truck, but I'd never been in a car like that, and I tell you what, like I said, that was a lot of years ago. That's up 45 years ago or so, and I remember it like it was yesterday. So talk about bringing back memories. This is bringing back some memories right here. This car is only about 300 times nicer than that one I rode in back in the day. I tell you, she is sweet. I'm downshifting through the gears here in this Tremec transmission. And don't forget, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. Just call Tom. Look at everything in here. All the finishes are just looking brand new. I mean, if you rolled the clock back to 1957, this is about what it looked like right here, guys. She is a sweetheart, bright and shiny. All except for that radio. That radio is definitely an upgraded unit. More than likely, it's one of those you can run with your phone, but you have to talk to somebody else about that, because I do not do that. I don't know how to do it. And I had somebody hook one up in my my new car, my daily driver, and oh my gosh, every time I turned around, the phone was trying to pick up the car, and the car was trying to pick up the phone. So the one I'm driving now, phone's not hooked up to the car. Listen to the exhaust on this thing, man. She sounds amazing. Now we're gonna go do something right now that nobody else does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car goes up on the left so you can check out the bottom side. Now I'm just going through the gears here. I just went from 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, downshifting, no problem at all. And of course I'm upshifting now. So make sure you share this video with your buddies. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, because we're posting 1 to 2 videos a day. Always have new inventory coming in, so keep an eye on us. We're going on the lift right now. All right, we're underneath this 57 now, and man, does it look sweet under here. You can see it's got a new tank in it. You can see the floorboards have all been cleaned up and primed. You can see the brand new 2.5-inch exhaust looking sweet. Spring packs have been rebuilt. The brake lines look like they're new. Now in the rear end housing, this is the stock appearing rear end housing that would have came in a 57, right around a 356, and it is an open gear. Now they've added these tie down hooks, so if you want to tie this thing down to a trailer, it's real easy to get at. It looks like the shocks are new. Looks like those drums are new too. So here at Vanguard, the guys will take the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see how the body bushings look like they're new. The drive shaft looks like it's a brand new unit. The frame's all painted black, looking sweet. We got a crossover here going to the Flowmaster mufflers, looking sweet. We got an aftermarket cross member in here holding that Tremec 5-speed in. Everything just looking sweet as can be under here. All the steering gear looks like it's been painted to look like bare metal, which is sweet. Don't have to worry about rusting. Look at that cross member, man. That cross member doesn't have a dent in it. It is looking beautiful. The front suspension looks like it's been rebuilt. We do have disc brakes up front. We had drums in the back. It looks like it's got new ball joints in it. We also look like all the sway bar and all that, all the bushings and everything looks brand new. The sway bar, the bushings, the brackets, everything. The bumpers are definitely re-chromed units. They've been painted on the backside silver, so they look real nice. We got BFGs here with some good looking American Racing wheels, and these are 225/60 15s. As you look down the side of the car, you can see all that paint is looking sweet. The rocker molding's looking sweet. And then look down this rocker molding here. Look how nice and clean all that is. You can see all the fresh primer, the new body mounts. You can see the new lines running front to back. That's a fuel line and a brake line, I believe. You see all these new body mounts everywhere. I mean, we got new bolts in the springs back here. Out back here, let's see, the size is the same. 225/60 15s, same good looking wheel. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down right now and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got 327 power with a Holley 4-barrel sitting on top, all looking sweet. You can see it's had a power brake setup put on it also. This is all aftermarket stuff here. You can see the proportioning valve's brand new. All the lines are brand new. The firewall's all nice and clean, looking sweet. Alternator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. We got great looking Corvette style valve covers on there. Looks like all the hoses are new. We've got a die-hard, oh, watch your head on that. I didn't hit it very hard, but you gotta watch your head. And you know what? Watch your head on these. See how sharp that is there? I have split my head open on those so many times. All right, back down here. Done with the safety lesson. We got an electric choke on there. It is a 600 CFM Holley. You can see everything under here is nice and clean. The firewall's nice and clean. All the wiring, all the hoses. Looks like it's got the original blower and everything for the heater there. I mean, everything under here is clean as a whistle. Even this whole front area. A lot of times on these 57 Chevs, these do not look good. This one looks brand factory new right here, baby. She is gorgeous. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this little dream in your driveway.